I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish stock from shrimp shells. This simple process transforms what might be discarded into a deeply flavorful base for many dishes. You'll learn to create a rich, aromatic stock that elevates your seafood recipes, from bisques to paellas. It's a fantastic way to reduce food waste and add incredible depth to your cooking, far surpassing any store-bought alternative. Get ready to unlock a new level of flavor in your kitchen. To begin, you'll need about 2 pounds of shrimp shells, either fresh or frozen. Next, prepare your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all roughly chopped. Don't forget 2 smashed garlic cloves and 1 bay leaf for extra fragrance. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 8 cups of cold water on hand. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly exceptional stock. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large stock pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Next, add the shrimp shells and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, pour in 8 cups of cold water, add the bay leaf and garlic, then bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Allow the stock to simmer gently for 30 to 45 minutes. Avoid boiling vigorously to keep it clear. Once simmered, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl, pressing gently on the solids to extract all liquid. Discard the solids. Let the stock cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.